Where to head to Texas roads. Discover the ultimate guide to obtaining your Texas driver's license with ease. From necessary documents to insider tips, we've got you covered. Don't let the process overwhelm you. Let's simplify it together. Click now to drive your dreams. So hello everyone and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to get your Texas driver license. In this video we will explore how to obtain your Texas driver's license online. We'll cover the case tips, important resources and tips to make the process as smooth as possible. Whether you are a new driver or moving to Texas, we've got you covered. Let's get started. So the first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into aceable.com, and then we have dps.texas.gov. Alright, right now you have here the first one, which is aceable.com. Let's discover it together. The first step, you have just to dive into aceable.com, as I said and as I mentioned. So Aceable provides online driver education courses for teens and adults, focusing on safe driving practices and traffic laws. The interactive content is accessible on mobile devices, allowing students to learn at their own pace. Completion leads to a certificate for obtaining a driver's license, making the process convenient and effective. So let's get started. The first step, you have just to select the state. If you are in California, Florida, Georgia, Nevada, Ohio, or Texas. I will select Texas because this video is just for Texas, and you can do the same with other states. So firstly, we have here the benefits. The first one, which is convenient, we have here 100% driving classes online on your own time. We have here fun, like really fun, a lot of videos, memes, and gifts. Then we have fast get your permit after 6 hours. Then we have eligible take the official tests and application with a limited choice. I'll just select the button or the option that you want if you are a teen driver's ED or adult driver's ED. I will just select the one you are. So for example, we have here two packages for people between 14 and 17 years old, or people who have or who are over than 18 years old. So the first package, you have to pay $75. It's a promotion, but actually we pay $115. The second one, we have to pay $75 actually, but we have a promotion, and right now we have just to pay $440 per month per this package. Sorry, it's not per month. So you have just right now to read these options: drive confidently with our TDLR approved course, earn your permit from any device anywhere, and we have over 2 million families trust Aceable to get with safe drivers. I will just click over enroll now if I am an adult. For example, we have here save $40 on your course today. You have just to select if you want here claim promo or course only. What is the difference? About the first one, we have Texas Parent Taught Drivers it with promo, and you have just to pay $75. Or with the second one, you have here course only, you have to pay $115. I will just select, for example, this one. In the right, we have here the price $113, and you have just to add your first name, your email address again, and your password. Then you have just to add your information of payment, such as the card number, expiration date, security code, and you select your country. Also, we have the second option, which is the bank, and you have just to select the bank that you want. For example, Bank of America, PNC, Wells Fargo, Chase, USAA, and we have Navy Federal Credit Union. Then you have just to click over here after reading the terms and conditions, and of course if you are agree, you click over this and then you click over continue, and you get started with this package. Then we have the second one, which is adult over than 18 years old. We have here firstly over than 3 DPS exam practice questions. We make sure you ace the test, fast same day certificate of completion delivery, 1 free month of all state roadside services, and you have to pay $4, and it's a promotion, but actually pay $75. I will just click for enroll now, and you will find other page, which is this one. Alright, so I will just select the first one, which is claim promo. In the right, you will find here you have to pay $61 about this package. You have just to add your first name, your email address, confirmation of your email address, and you add your password. Then you add your information of your payment for your card, search as card number, expiration date, security code, and just select your country. Also, we have the second one, second options, which is bank. You select if you want Bank of America, PNC, Wells Fargo, Chase, USAA, and we have Navy Federal Credit Union. All right. Then if you scroll down, you will find also here you have just to accept to the terms and conditions, and you have to confirm that you are at least of 80 years old. All right, then you click over continue and you get started with this one. So this is it, and right now let's move on to the next one, which is DPS, or Texas Department of Public Safety. The DPS oversees driver licensing and vehicle registration in Texas. It administers the state's driver education programs, conducts driving tests, and issues driver's licenses and identification cards. The DPS also enforces traffic laws and promotes safe driving practices to enhance road safety for all Texas. So you have just to select here driver license and IDs, or you can just scroll down and you will find your popular service and you click over driver license. Alright, so right now we will find other page, which is this one. You have just to select if you are assistance for people with disabilities, or new appointment scheduling system, or security incident. So I will just select, for example, the first one, assistance for people with disabilities. I will just add my first name, my last name, date of birth, and then we have TX driver license and ID number, then the home address, city, state, and also we have zip code, daytime phone, alternate phone, email address, driver license, office you want to visit, and then we have also here the accommodation, and the accommodation needed. Then we have question and request, and you click over submit form or clear form, right? Then we have new appointment scheduling system, and you have just to scroll down to click over schedule a driver license appointment, and you have just to select your language if you want just English or Spanish. I will click over English and I will just complete the files below. For example, we have Texas card number, first name, last name, date of birth, last four SSN. All right, so this is it for this one. Then we have security incident. About this one, you have just to scroll down and you have to download the PDF of DL security incident. For example, we have here with Chinese language, Japanese language, Korean language, Vietnamese language as well. And you get started with this one and you get your driver license with whole knowledge of driving on Texas, right? So thanks for watching. Now you have the tools and knowledge to navigate the process of getting your Texas driver's license online. Remember to check the official resources we discussed and stay organized with your documents. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe for more tips, safe driving, and good luck on your licensing journey. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.